Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be making fried dumplings today. So in this bowl I've got about 3 cups of self-raising flour sifted. I've got half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. The reason why I'm using bicarbonate of soda is it because it helps the fried dumplings get nice and fluffy. So I've got that, and I've got my rapeseed oil. You can use any oil. And I've got some melted butter. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Just going to add my salt and my bicarbonate of soda. Then I'm going to go in with my melted butter and just give it a little stir, and then I'm going to go in with about 2 cups of water and just stir it as I go along. If I need to add more, I'll add more. Right, so I've got my water and I'm just going to gradually add it. So I add about half, then just mix it. If you need to add more, add more. So you're looking for like a doughy sort of texture, but not too wet. Right guys, so your dough should look like this. Just keep kneading it. And then I'm going to add about 2 cups of rapeseed oil to my pan. Right guys, here are my dumplings. You can do them any shape, any size. So I'm just going to add the oil. So you want to give that about, say, 4 minutes on each side. Just kind of spread them out, make sure they're not sticking.